Okay, I like to show you the most important commands now in the Unix console, and well, in basic speaking it is the same as in the Windows operation system. Like we've got a copy command and a move command and a remove command and whatever command. I just want to stick to the most important ones which might be needed and which you can see in all my videos. So the first one will be the super user. You always need super user or root privileges to do special commands like the super user command, and I am logged into the system now with the Kali user, which you can see I am logged in as Kali in the upper left. And if I want to edit a text file, I will enter now sudo for super users do and then open the nano. Okay, I open the nano with I don't know, I just created a text file now which I call test. Okay, so the text file is not needed to name it like this, but in Unix you can name the file whatever you want to or whatever you like to. Okay, just to show you, I will change directory now, go for etc, and the change directory, it's quite a common command, same as in the DOS console. And well, in the etc we will find a file which is called sudoers, and that is the file which is the configuration file for the sudo command. So I go to etc and then I'll open the nano and I'll enter sudoers, and hopefully I get access now, but I don't have. That is because I am the user Kali and I don't have the privileges to open the file, because only root user has. So I'll enter the command list. I will find the root privileges. You will see I enter list sudoers, and with a parameter like this I can see my privileges, and I can see that the owner is root, the group is root, and I only have read privileges in this case. So I really need to be the owner of the file to edit it, or to be in the group. So the most easiest way to get access is to use sudo command, enter nano sudoers, and I will use the root privileges of a user which is inside the sudo file, configuration file. Enter Kali to get access to the file, because the sudo command just uses the user which is inside this file. In normal ways it is the root, which you can see here, but you can enter another user and you can use the user privileges of this user. It's quite easy. In normal Unix systems it should be the root. Okay. Another thing I want to show you is how to exit text file. We'll just go into the sudoers, and then you'll just enter this command, and you can exit every text editor like the nano or the v or the vim or whatever. Okay, or any console command in every case. I just want you to know that. For example, we've got another text editor. I just want to show you the vim or the v. So enter sudo and then v and then the file. It just looks a little bit different now. It's more colorful. just if you want to, you can enter the menu with the given command and close the text editor. Okay, and well, basically that's it for the text files and the editors. Let's have a look at the make directory and enter the directory test, and well, we can use a copy command. You don't have to enter copy, it's just cp, and then we will create a file. Let's create a text file now, or test file, because the ending text, that's not needed, so it's just named test now, and I'll save it, and I can enter the list command, see the text now and the test, sorry, and open the privileges. I'll see, okay, I've got read and write access. Okay, and now I will copy it over for the etc folder. Just enter copy test etc. That's it. Okay, I can't copy it because I don't have root privileges. It's quite a common error, quite a common mistake. I need the sudo command again. Now it works. It was copied over for the folder etc, and I can open the file now just by open the nano with the given folder name and then the file name. Quite normal for the Windows operation system. If I don't know, I can press tab. If I press tab, I'll get a help assistant. He just shows me every files and folders which are inside my etc structure. That's quite a cool thing. So I just can enter now test, and well, there we go. Okay, so the tab command, or the tab key, that's quite a useful key, and I'll be into the text file or the test file now, and that's it. The last command I want to show you is the well, sorry again, I just need root privileges now, so I'll enter sudo su get direct access to the root user, and now like you can see I am logged in as a root. It says root at Kali. Okay, the last command I want to show you is how to get the default output into a file, which is cut. If you enter cut, you will get this. You'll enter cut, and then the created file just shows the content of the file on the console. And if you enter it like this, you will transfer the output to a text file which is called test1. Okay, so in this case it's just copy command, and but in normal ways it is quite useful for diagnose and analyze. So now let's have an example. Let's well, that's now copied over, but let's have an useful example like the ping. If I'll enter the ping and I ping myself, the localhost, I will transfer this output of the default output into a text file. It will be like this. Now all the output don't go to the console, but it goes into a file which is called test2, so I can analyze this file later on, and that's quite a cool thing. I'll just open the file and I will see my ping commands, my echo requests. In a Unix system that will be endlessly. Okay, it's not just in the Windows operation system, it is 4 times, but in Unix it is endlessly. So the last example was how to transfer file to default output and default output to file.